Hello guys, today I will compare in between Onshape versus Fusion 360 versus Solidworks, which is better in 2025. Let's break it down. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's start with Onshape. It's sleek, entirely cloud-based, and requires no downloads. Everything runs in your browser, perfect for teams that thrive on real-time collaboration and instant access across devices. It's fast, flexible, and great for remote workflows. Next, Fusion 360. This tool is all about versatility. CAD, CAM, CAE, all rolled into one. Whether you're designing for 3D printing or CNC machining, Fusion 360 gives creators and engineers a streamlined, modern experience with strong cloud integration. And then there's Solidworks, the heavyweight in industrial design, known for high-end modeling and rock-solid performance in mechanical engineering. It's built for professionals handling large assemblies, detailed simulations, and tight tolerances. So which is better? Onshape wins on accessibility and collaboration. Fusion 360 shines with flexibility and end-to-end workflows. Solidworks dominates in power and precision for complex engineering. The best? That depends on your priorities. For cloud access, go Onshape. The all-in-one tools, choose Fusion. And the high-end engineering, Solidworks delivers.